Who needs a passport to Spain when you can bring churros to your kitchen? Less jet lag, more sugar.
Hey everyone! Have you ever tasted sunshine sprinkled with sugar and dipped in chocolate? If not, you're in for a delightful surprise. That's what a churro tastes like. It's a burst of happiness in every bite.
Churros are like little magic sticks, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They have a unique texture that makes them irresistible. They're perfect for a special treat, a family party, or just because. Whether it's a celebration or a cozy evening at home, churros fit right in.
So put on your chef hats, grab your little helpers and get ready for some fun in the kitchen. Let's make some churro magic together. It's a wonderful way to bond and create lasting memories. Churros are best enjoyed warm, fresh from the kitchen, and made with love. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Imagine the smiles on your family's faces as they bite into these golden treats. It's pure joy. The yummy smell in your kitchen, the laughter while cooking, and the joy of making something delicious together. That's what churro memories are made of. It's an experience that brings everyone closer.
Ready for a kitchen adventure? Let's dive into the world of churros and create some magic.
Let's go to Spain, at least in spirit, and make these yummy treats. You'll feel like you're right there in a Spanish cafe. In Spain, churros are more than just a snack. They're a tradition, a symbol of happy times with loved ones. Sharing churros is sharing love. Every bite tells a story we're about to create in our own kitchens. Let's make it a delicious one. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started and make some unforgettable churro memories.
Before we start our churro adventure, let's get our tools and ingredients ready. It's important to have everything in place before we begin. Don't worry, even the littlest chefs can do this. It's a fun activity for the whole family.
For our churro dough, we need 1 cup of water. Make sure it's at room temperature. Half a cup of butter, the yummy kind. This will make our churros rich and delicious. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a pinch. It enhances all the flavors. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. The best flour ever. This will give our churros the perfect texture. And 2 to 3 eggs. We'll crack them together carefully. Eggs help bind everything together.
Now, for the fun part, making the churros golden and crunchy. This is where the magic happens. Oil for frying enough so our churros can swim. Make sure it's hot enough before you start frying. And finally, the magic touch. Making our churros extra special with a sprinkle of sugar. Sugar for sprinkling, let's make it rain sweetness. This will give our churros that classic taste. Cinnamon for a warm and cozy flavor. It adds a wonderful aroma and taste. And chocolate sauce, because everything's better with chocolate. Drizzle it generously.
Now that we have our ingredients, let's grab our tools. Having the right tools makes the process easier. A big pot for frying our churros. Make sure it's deep enough. This helps in even frying. A wooden spoon for stirring, our best friend in the kitchen. It's sturdy and reliable. A piping bag with a star tip to make our churros look fancy. This gives them their signature shape. And a plate with paper towels to soak up extra oil. This keeps our churros crispy.
Great job, little chefs. You're doing amazing. We're ready to make some churro magic. Everything is set and we're good to go. Remember, cooking with family is all about having fun and making memories. So let's get started. Enjoy every moment. Okay, now that we have everything ready, let's make the churro dough. This is going to be so much fun. First, heat the water, butter and salt in a big pot until it's melted and bubbly. Make sure to keep an eye on it so it doesn't boil over.
While that's heating up, let's get our flour ready. Measure it out precisely to ensure the perfect dough consistency. Once the butter mixture is boiling, add the flour all at once. This step is crucial for the texture, and stir quickly until it forms a ball. You'll see it come together nicely.
Perfect. Look at that beautiful dough. Now, let the dough cool for a few minutes before adding the eggs, one at a time. This cooling step is important to prevent the eggs from cooking too quickly, stirring well after each one. This will make the dough smooth and rich.
This is where our wooden spoon helps. It gives you better control over the mixing. Keep stirring until the dough is smooth and shiny. This is the key to perfect churros.
Now let's fill our piping bag with the dough. Make sure it's tightly packed to avoid air bubbles. Make sure to use the star tip to get that classic churro shape. This will give them their signature ridges.
Carefully pipe the dough into the hot oil, making sure to keep a steady hand, cutting it into strips with scissors. This helps in getting uniform pieces. Fry the churros until they're golden brown and crispy. This should take about 2-3 minutes.
Once they're done, put them on the paper towel-lined plate to drain the extra oil. This keeps them from getting soggy.
And now, the final touch: roll the churros in the sugar and cinnamon while they're still warm. This coating adds that extra bit of sweetness and crunch. And don't forget the chocolate sauce. It's the perfect dip for our churros.
There you have it, our delicious homemade churros. They look amazing. Enjoy them with your family and make some great memories. Happy cooking, everyone. These moments are what make cooking so special.
Section 4, Churros, a star in Spain.
Time to enjoy our churro masterpieces.
Ah yes, time to enjoy our delicious churros.